So looking at gut cleanse and restore, we've spoken about this product in other clips as well, but to complete the picture for a proper gut cleanse, we would look at the microbiome reset, bringing in beneficial bacteria, fungi, and yeast, plus live enzymes. We would look at the digestive enzyme product with 7 enzymes itself. We would probably look at betaine hydrochloric acid with the digestive enzymes if we saw that digestion was the problem and that the gut was getting built up and blocked because of the digestive process. So that would work too, and so would work the replica RNA DNA because of the immunity in the gut, but also because the RNA DNA works specifically and cleans the villi and repairs the gastrointestinal lining, especially if there's been a parasite infestation. So we could also, with this product, use a Parastop, which is a month's supply and a month's supply, and in this way we would cover the parasites, which would also help clean the gut. So there's actually 5 products we can use that would all together really rejuvenate and restore and repair the gut. I mean, notwithstanding the fact that we would have to look at diet and oil. You could bring the flaxseed oil into the method as well if you like, because the oil is very necessary for gut cleansing. And you would bring in a food with a diet with a very high fiber. Whole food, natural food, high fiber will also help cleanse the gut. And in fact, they might even want to just have a smoothie, foods in a smoothie form for a week while they're doing the gut cleanse, or just even leading up towards the gut cleanse too. So here you would take 1 capsule twice a day, and in a month everything should be in good working order. But I would recommend potentiating this product with some of the other products. We have in this product Cascara sagrada, which is a very gentle detoxification herb.